This collaboration among the secret services in the West and Israel, they see in Israel as a main ally, it is detrimental because there is no consideration on who is going to use it, when to use it, and against who. They just created a terrorist act, but not only that, putting metal balls inside the batteries along with the highly sensitive explosive like the P10, for example, it to create a vast amount of injury and fatality is using exactly the same style that ISIS use in suicide belt. The main problem is we in the West pretend to have values and abide by the international law. We look at what happened, or our leaders in the West are looking at what happened as an expression of admiration for what the Israelis were capable of without looking at the human life and the human value. That is the main problem that allowed the Israeli to do a sabotage attack and get away with it.
عزاوي